Jerry DiGonzolo's culture in UEP is can do, can't fail. Do whatever it takes to get the customer satisfied and get the job done.
Anything an electrician would need, anything a plumber would need, we supply. From, it could be for the complete unit that they're going to put into a building down in the power station of a building, or the sink or the toilet bowl, or the tool that they need to do on the job.
We're well suited to do quite a range of projects because of the amount of resources we have in-house. We can do everything from a very small job to a $5 and $6 million integrated gear job that involves 10 vendors, and we can bring that home as well.
What sets them apart from their competitors is the fact that they're multifaceted. Our experience and our frustration as plumbing and heating contractors is that when you go to a particular vendor or distributor, they can take you so far until you hit a brick wall, and then they switch you over to another company. So what happens with UEP is they take it all the way through from conception to completion.
It's really about being turnkey. Customers want vendor consolidation. They want project management. They want somebody to come in and take care of things soup to nuts. They don't want to have to deal with an electrician, a plumber, a control guy, a construction guy. I mean, think about if they have to manage 6 vendors instead of 1 vendor. So we provide them that one vendor solution.
UEP is one of the people high on our list for information, advice, and supplies.
I've known Jerry DiGonzolo for years, and he has integrity and honesty, and that's what infuses United Power and Electric. So that's why when we deal with them, I know we'll be handled properly, and it gives me a great sense of comfort when we work with their firm.
Second Avenue Subway, they provided us with switchgear that met the Con Ed standards, which is very, very important because not everybody does that. UEP has depth. Well, they've been around for a long time. They're not the new boys on the block.
Their honesty, efficiency, and they always get the job done the right way. You feel secure with them.
We just seem to automatically keep coming back because the others just don't have what we need in terms of the response, in terms of the attention to detail. When we place an order, when we request information, we know it's going to be accurate and correct the first time.
We do really well with customers that are looking to grow their business and they're getting into, taking on larger projects that they normally don't do. We help smaller guys grow into medium and large. I feel we've been very successful with that.
Most of our work is in Macy's and Herald Square. We've been there for 35 years. And using Jerry and his father, we've done the whole infrastructure of the building. Wally was the engineer. He designed how we were laying out the switchgear rooms. He made sure everything was okay with the building department as far as code. Everything worked out great, and they supplied everything. Everything was on time, and it just worked out wonderful.
Our equipment is better than a national manufacturer. The quality is better. We're a national manufacturer. Could be 10, 12, 16 weeks out. We can build almost anything in 4 weeks.
I think our biggest competitive advantage is our engineering background. We have a big commitment to hiring engineers, providing an engineered solution, to really looking into what the root cause of a problem is, not just putting a Band-Aid on things.
UEP helps us in the design phase, which is very, very important. They have the go-to people. We can just tell them what the information is on the building that we're looking to design a pumping system for. They will extract that information from us. This is what we need. We'll design a system, and they'll design a system that works best for that particular property.
Where can you get a place that has 12 engineers at your beck and call? And there's a lot of smart guys here, and we have a lot of resource. We have $5 million in inventory. We have 150 employees. We can bring a lot to bear to solve problems, and that's for free for them. All they have to do is give us an order. They don't pay for us to wait in the wings. So and I would describe that as really most of our long-term relationships are that way, where we're really an adjunct to the skill set that person has.
In addition to the expertise and our staff, it's people with 30+ years experience, and I think that really sets us apart from everyone else in the industry.
They're always very thorough, and they give you the best, and they never give you no as an answer. It's always, we'll get it done one way or the other. That's how they operate, and that's why they've been with me for 15 years. And it makes it hard for me to go to anybody else because the service is impeccable.